So to start your project, you're going to go and set up your file. So first you're going to be logged in to Soundtrap, and you're going to enter Studio. We are creating a music file. And the first thing we're going to do is go down here to the bottom where it says tempo, and it automatically puts it at 120. We're going to click on that and change this to 96 and hit confirm. Right here, if you hover over, it says key. Nothing's there right now. Click on that. Scroll down to click B flat minor. So now this is set up. And now what we're going to do is insert an MP3 of just a vocal track. So you come back to today's Schoology page. Obviously there's no instructions yet because I'm making them right now, but at the bottom of your page you should see this Party USA VOX, which is a shortcut for vocals that we use, and if you click on it, it should start downloading. Save it to your computer wherever you're going to be able to find it. So just save that. You don't have to open it. It might open automatically. Just close any file that comes up out. And you can kind of get rid of that. Now you're back in your project file. You're going to go to Import File. And when you click on that, you should be able to open up your files here and find where you saved that Party USA vocal. Open that, and it should look like this. And when you press play, so it's just the vocal of Party in the USA. And we are going to create our own remixes of that song. And we're actually going to do a couple different versions of that. But to get through part one, we're going to make sure that the magnet tool, the snap to grid tool, is on. And then we're going to turn on our cycle mode, the loop mode. Then I want you to move it, so you click in the middle and drag it over so it starts here at 5. And then you're going to extend it, so you hit the end, click and drag all the way to 15. So that's what we're working with now. It's just this area. Now we're going to put some tracks underneath that in order to make it sound kind of like a remix. It's not going to be 100% perfect, but it'll get you a good idea of how this is done. So you click on Browse Loops, like we did before, and now we have our loops library available. We're going to click Drums. Now remember, you're going to search for some of these drums that don't have this orange Start Free Supreme trial, because we don't want to pay for that. And remember, it may look like there's a lot, but if you really start scrolling, you're going to find there are a lot of free ones. Now, to test them out, I want to see what it sounds like with the vocal. So I'm going to press play, and then also press play here to sample. Moving my hips like yeah. I got my hands up to play my song. I know I'm gonna be okay. Yeah, it's a party in the USA. Yeah, it's a party in the USA. Yeah, it's a party in the USA. So once you find one that you like, you can stop the music because it does get a little much to listen to it over and over. But you're going to take the one you like, click the title, drag it, and drop it right there on 5, right where your purple loop bar starts. But make sure it's underneath your vocal. You don't want to go on top because it'll get rid of it. Drag it, release it, and it should go the entirety of what you have your loop bar going. So if I press play, send it back to the top. So once you get there, you're going to go put one more loop underneath, and you can pick what you want. for the loops. So you can X that out. You can click bass, piano, synth, whatever you want. But if you do pick anything but drums, it's important that you click whatever it is. And then here where it says any scale, you're going to select minor scale, because that'll fit the vocal a little bit more. And again, we're looking for free ones. Press play so you can hear what it sounds like with it.
Moving my hips like yeah. I got my hands up to playing my song. Hands up to playing my song. The butterflies fly.
Again, you find one that you like, take it, drag it underneath, release it, and it should go the correct distance. So now we have the vocal and 2 loops underneath that. If I want to hear what it sounds like, I turn off the cycle. I go very beginning and I can listen to it with the little intro.
And a Jay-Z song was on. And a Jay-Z song was on. And a Jay-Z song was on. So I put my hands up to play my song. The butterflies fly away. Nodding my head like yeah. Moving my hips.
Remember, you can change the volumes.
Up to play my song. And know I'm gonna be okay. Yeah. It's a party in the USA. Yeah. It's a party in the USA.
So that'll be the end of step 1. If you can get to that point, show Miss Childress and she'll let you know what to do next.